release, autonomy, means democracy. India got freedom on this day, means on 15 August 1947, after 150 years rule of Britishers. Freedom did not get easily. Independence did not get easily and automatically. British did not went by their own, or they did not say, we are born in India, so we are going from India, bye bye Indians, bye bye Indians. No. Behind that, there was so many, lot of struggle and sacrifice of many people. We call them freedom fighters. Not few freedom fighters, so many. And that time, people also supported to that freedom fighters. In that period, so many organizations, so many movements were organized, like civil disobedience movement, home rule movement. There was birth of Indian National Congress, partition of Bengal, and so others. In that, some movements get failed, but some made major effect on British officers. A major role played by respected Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He made the constitution. It is not a joke and easy. He didn't just write the constitution. He studied hard and hard for that. He studied the other nation's constitution. He think about every citizen's right, and he made the laws in each and every field on what our whole country's nation administration is running. And our Indian constitution is the largest written constitution among whole nations. Before independence, First World War, Second World War, Cold War happened, and Britishers also carried the Indian wealth. So because of that, our Indian economic condition get loose. But now also India has progressed in many fields like agriculture, sports, and so many. Means India is one step ahead in every field. Means India proved that India is a capable country which can fight against any situation and recover it. So I would like to speak on this. मैं एक भारतीय हूँ, इसका मुझे अभिमान है, तो मैं इस पर दो लाइन कहना चाहूँगी कि मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसके होठों पे गंगा और हाथ में तिरंगा है। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसके होठों पे गंगा और हाथ में तिरंगा है। वो देश जो कभी सत्यम शिवम सुंदरा, कभी वंदे मातरम, तो कभी पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्रविड़ उत्कल बंगा है। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जो हर ठुकराए हुए की शरण स्थली बन जाता है और सात समंदर पार के परदेशियों को भी अपने ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर कहकर बुलाता है। यही प्रेम की पूज्य भूमि भारतवर्ष कहलाता है, भारतवर्ष कहलाता है। Now let's think. We are living freely, independently, because of our nation is independent nation, democratic nation, republic nation. But we should remember that we are living freely because of our Indian soldiers. They are on border, hence we are safe here. In independence movement, our Indian soldiers also played a major role. They are still struggling to India remain independent. Think about it. If Indian soldiers are not on border, then what will happen? We can easily think and imagine that enemy countries will attack on India, and hence we will again under the rule of Britishers. So there is lot of importance and value of Indian soldiers. We should salute them and respect them. तो मैं हमारे भारतीय सैनिकों के लिए दो शब्द कहना चाहूँगी कि बात है वो अपने पंख फैला कर चलता है, बात है वो अपने पंख फैला कर चलता है, नजरों को दो कदम बढ़ा कर चलता है। स्वाभिमान में वो अंगार है जैसे भारत माँ का श्रृंगार है, स्वाभिमान में वो अंगार है जैसे भारत माँ का श्रृंगार है। ऊंची है गर्दन और ऊंची है नजरें, तभी तो भारत भी जिंदाबाद है, भारत भी जिंदाबाद है। लास्टली, आई विश यू ऑल अ वेरी हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।